In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix my inbox not showing in Gmail. First, let's start by refreshing Gmail. This is a simple yet effective step. You can do this by pressing the F5 key on your keyboard. Alternatively, look for the refresh icon in your browser. When you click it, the page reloads. This action can often resolve minor glitches that prevent your inbox from displaying emails. After refreshing, check your inbox to see if the emails have appeared. This step is important because it ensures that you are viewing the most current version of your inbox. Next up, we will search all mail. Look for the search box at the top of your Gmail interface. Click on it, and then you will see an option labeled Show Search Options. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, set the search criteria to mail and spam and trash. This allows you to include all folders in your search. Type in keywords related to the missing email and hit enter. This helps you locate emails that may not be appearing in your inbox. It's a useful step because sometimes emails can get misplaced. After searching, it's time to check the spam folder. Scroll down in your Gmail sidebar and open the spam folder. This folder often contains emails that Gmail mistakenly identifies as junk. Take a moment to look through the emails listed there. If you find the missing email, select it and click Not Spam. This action will move the email back to your inbox. Checking spam is vital because it helps ensure you don't miss important communications. Now, let's check the trash folder. Navigate to the trash, which can also be found on the sidebar. Open it and look for any emails you might have deleted recently. If you locate the missing emails here, you can restore them back to your inbox. Simply select the email and click Move to Inbox. This step is crucial because it allows you to recover emails that may have been accidentally deleted. Once you've checked the trash, let's move on to All Mail. Open the All Mail folder, which contains every email you have, including archived ones. Browse through this list to see if you can find the emails that are missing from your inbox. If you see any emails that you wish to have in your inbox, you can move them back. Accessing All Mail is helpful because it gives you a complete view of all your emails. Next, we need to check your filters. Go to Settings, then click on See All Settings. In this menu, navigate to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Here you can view any filters you have set up that might be causing emails to skip your inbox. Remove or edit any filters that you think may be affecting your email delivery. This is important because filters can unintentionally direct emails away from your inbox. Now, let's check your forwarding settings. Again, go to Settings and then click on Forwarding and POP/EMAP. Here you will see if your emails are being forwarded to another address. Make sure that this feature is disabled if you do not wish to forward your emails. This step ensures that emails are arriving in your Gmail inbox as intended. Next, we'll check your storage. Open your Google storage page to see how much space is available. If your storage is full, you will need to delete unnecessary files. Freeing up space can help prevent issues with email delivery. This step is crucial because storage limits can affect your ability to receive new emails. To finish, let's clear your browser cache. Go to your browser settings and find the option to clear your cache and cookies. Once that's done, restart your browser. After reopening, sign into Gmail again. This step helps resolve issues caused by old data stored in your browser. Finally, disable any browser extensions. Go to your browser's extension settings and turn off unnecessary extensions. After doing this, reload Gmail and check if your inbox appears. This can help improve Gmail's performance and ensure that your inbox displays correctly. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of your inbox not showing in Gmail. Remember, you can always revisit these steps if the problem arises again. Thank you for watching.